All right, we're back. Episode 10 of the Bachelor Cook 2024. Today's episode is sweet and sour pork, Italian style. Okay? This sauce is so good that you're going to want to get a cup and just drink it. It's fantastic. We've been making this in our family for, 50 years. Easy. So, first thing, normally we make this with country style pork ribs. They didn't have that at the store today. They had just regular old ribs, but they look pretty good. They're sliced up. So normally you would want to make them bite size. Let me see. See if I can do that. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This calls for 3 pounds, okay? You make it either in a pan, in the oven, an oven-safe pan, or you can put it in a casserole. I'm probably going to put it in the casserole. All right, let me get a knife, and we'll get to work here. Sharp knife. All right, so I like to cut them. If they will be cut, this is probably not going to work. They got a boom. Here, I can take it here. There, that'll work. That one's a good size. See, it's got the bone right there. It's all right. There you go. There you go. Get some more. There you go. Probably not. There you go. That's good. Let me see how we get on with that. All right. In the frying pan, fairly hot frying pan here, with enough oil on the bottom to coat the bottom. And I'm going to season this pork with a little bit of salt. Not a lot, because there's actually soy sauce in this recipe, which is salty. Okay, so I'm going to give it a little bit of salt there. Go. And the idea is you're going to brown this off on all sides, and then it's going to finish off in the oven. All right, so here we go. See how many we can fit in here. Let's turn this on. Bam. There we go. Turn that down to about medium. Pretty hot. I can fit some more. The whole idea is I want to have enough to fit in here. Casserole. Otherwise, if you're doing it in a frying pan, this is an oven-safe frying pan, so whatever you put in here, that's what it is. It is what it is, right? So, in the meantime, we're going to preheat the oven, 350. Start that. I'll put a couple more pieces in here. Okay, good. Give this 3 minutes. Three minutes aside, all the way around. Okay, takes about 12 minutes, and I'll see you back then. All right, while the meat is browning off, I'm going to make the sauce. So I got over here glass bowl so you can see what I'm doing. First of all, sweet and sour. So sweet, brown sugar, about 1/3 of a cup brown sugar is right in there. Soy sauce, 3 tablespoons soy sauce. I use a light soy sauce that has less salt in it. So 1, 2, 3, that's good, 3. All right. It also takes vinegar, 1/3 of a cup of vinegar. If you have rice wine vinegar, that's what it really takes, but I use apple cider vinegar. Works fine. There we go. 1/3 of a cup. It's a healthy 1/3 of a cup. All right. It was a fast 3 minutes. Oh yeah, it's starting to brown off nice. I'll give it a little bit more heat. There you go. Just get it all browned off. Go. More. All right, so back to the sauce. We've got 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Okay, this is light brown sugar, dark brown sugar, it don't matter. Brown sugar. I got 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1/3 of a cup of vinegar. Okay. Then it takes 1 clove of garlic, finely minced. So give it a good smash. Run your knife through it. See this all right? All right. Smells good. Throw that in there. Calls for 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. Now, when my mom used to make this ages ago, we didn't have fresh ginger. She had powdered ginger. So fresh ginger, it's a whole different thing, right? So this is a good amount. It's more than 1/4 of a teaspoon, I'll tell you that. It's more like a couple teaspoons. All right. So you put it to taste, but be careful because too much will really start to overpower the entire dish. There we go. So I like to get this nice and minced up, finely minced on this. Okay, so that much ginger. It's a good amount. Couple teaspoons anyway, maybe even a tablespoon. Wouldn't hurt. Aye. Next, drained 3/4 of a cup of drained pineapple. You have to be precise with the pineapple. crushed pineapple works really well, as you know. But yeah, just crush some in there. There you go. What the heck? That's good. And somebody's calling me here. All right. 24 ounces of tomato sauce. All right. This can is 29 ounces. Okay. I'm using 29 ounces. Like I said, it's so delicious. You can't have enough. All right. That's really the whole recipe, except I like to kick it up a little bit. You want to put some red pepper flakes in there, that's fine. I've got a little bit of sriracha. I'm going to use that. All right, just a little bit. There you go. And you want to dissolve that sugar that's in there. Mix it all up. Gotta taste it. Yeah. Fantastic. All right. Traditionally, this is served with rice. So we're going to take the pork out of the frying pan, put it in a casserole, add the sauce, cover it with tin foil, slice some holes in the tin foil, put it in the oven at 350 for half an hour. After the half an hour, we're going to take the tin foil off the top and let it go for another half hour. Right, that's going to help to reduce the sauce, and then we're done, ready to eat. In the meantime, we make the rice. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So. This is going to be enough to feed, say, 4 hungry people, or 2 people, maybe 2 or 3 times. We're going to serve some vegetables and rice, all that. Look, just about making it into this pan here. Squeeze it in. Don't be shy. There we go. All right. Get it down there. I don't want to waste any of this. All right? That's a lot of meat. So basically it's going to braise in here. Another braised dish. All right? Well, Notice I put a cookie sheet underneath this because it has a tendency to boil over. It'll save you some cleanup later. So maybe 6 little slices in here to let the steam out. Good enough. So into the oven, 350 for a half an hour. Then we're going to take the tin foil off, let it go for another half hour. And in the meantime, we'll cook our rice and we're done. All right, here we are. Sweet and sour pork. While that was cooking, I made some rice. So let's plate up some rice here. This is brown rice. So if it don't look white, it's because it's brown. All right. There's a good portion right there. Yeah, it came out good. All right. And get a couple pieces of pork here. Let's see. There's one. There's a nice big one. And some of the gravy here, this sauce. Go on top. Right there. All right. Let's see how it turned out. All right. I don't know if you can see that. All right. Let's see. Really tender and moist. See? See it? It's delicious. Remember, eat to live and live well. See you next time.